Hello friends, welcome to PHP tutorial. In this tutorial, we will study about the string in PHP and some functions related to this string. String variables in PHP. String variables are used for values that contain characters. In this chapter, we are going to look at the most common functions and operators used to manipulate strings in PHP. After we create a string, we can manipulate it. A string can be used directly in a function or it can be stored in a variable. Now let's try to use some different function and operator to manipulate the string. First of all, the concatenation operator. Concatenation operator is used to join two strings. Let's see one example for this concatenation operator. Here, this is the example of concatenation operator. Here, in this example, hello world string is assigned to variable text1 and what a nice day string is assigned to variable text2. And here in echo we are using concatenation operator dot. First hello world, then dot, then space, in between double quote, then dot means concatenation operator, and then text2. Let's see the output. So this is the output of our program, hello world, then space, what a nice day. The string length function, strlen function. This function is used to return the length of a string. The length of a string is often used in loops or other functions when it is important to know when the string ends. As an example, in a loop, we would want to stop the loop after the last character in the string. We can use the string length function. Let's see the example. This is the example of string length function. In parameter, we have passed hello world string in double quote. Let's see the length of this string. So this is the output of our script. Next, string position function, strpos function. By using this function, we can search for a character or text within a string. If a match is found, this function will return the character position of the first match. If no match is found, it will return false. Let's see the example. Here, in first argument, we have passed a full string hello world. In second argument, we have passed substring world. So, this function will return the position of world. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the W word is at 7th place. Let's see the output. But this function returns value 6. So the position of the string world in the example above is 6. The reason that it is 6 and not 7 because the first character position in the string is 0 and not 1.